Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put our primer on before we put to test this foundation. If I have little fuzzies, like my hair is like fuzzy, sorry in advance. So yeah, you guys, let's begin. So the primer I'm going to be using is this one. That's my favorite at the moment. It's the NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. And it's the purple one. They do have green and blue and I believe white in this. So I'm just going to put this, and what I like about this, it gives me a smooth finish on my skin. And it's just a color balance and anti-dull skin. So I mean, it helps me a lot. I just like the way it helps apply my makeup. So you guys, sorry about being MYI, missing in action, MIA. Oh my god. Because I got sick again and I've been drinking a lot of fluids. Like I haven't been eating as much. Like if I eat, I'll eat like chicken nuggets or anything that doesn't contain bread. I am not gonna lie, I did cheat a little bit on my diet, you guys, because I don't know, I don't have an excuse, and people always make excuses, so I'm not gonna make an excuse. I like to grab a little bit more and like pat it into where my pores are. And then move it around, just in that area. And there we go. Pores are disappeared. But yeah, I'm not going to make any excuses. So we're going to go right into the foundation. The foundation I will be reviewing for you guys is this foundation right here, which is the Lasting Finish 24 Hours by Rimmel London. The color I picked up is Natural Beige. It's 400. It comes with Broad Serum SPF 20 sunscreen. And I really like my foundations to have that, especially if I'm going out or whatever. It really comes in handy. So I'm just going to read back here. It says, shake before use, lightweight skin perfecting foundation with medium coverage. So it's not a full coverage foundation. It is medium coverage, you guys. So then it says, breathable skin technology that moisturizes for up to 24 hours. Broad serum SPF 20. And then it says the expiration date. So you guys, it says 24 hours. So I only thought it would be nice to put this to the test and put it for 25 hours. But instead we'll be doing 24 hours. So I'm going to be wearing this foundation all day. Yes, all day. And we're going to check in every couple hours. We're going to go ahead and check in. And I'm going to let you guys know how my skin is looking. So, this is the foundation. And this is the same foundation as the red one. Guess it's just their new formula. But yeah, so this is how the foundation opens up. And it looks like this. The wand is pretty thick. And it reminds me like those high-end foundations with the little stick and stuff. But yeah, since we got our primer, we're going to go on, and I am going to be applying it with the Beauty Blender, which is just a regular beauty sponge. And then my all-time foundation brush, which is this one by Tarte. I don't know what brush this is. It doesn't have a number, but it's a dual-ended brush. So yeah, this is my favorite foundation brush. So we're going to be using that on one half of our face. And then the other half we'll be using this clean beauty sponge. So we're going to go ahead and shake well. And we're going to go right into it. And then this foundation was $7.99. I got it at CVS. So you probably can get it somewhere else for cheaper. But CVS is at the corner of my house. So I'm just going to apply it like that because I know I don't have breakouts. Now, if you tend to break out, I would just apply this like on a sponge or whatever you're going to be using to apply this foundation. Because, I mean, you don't want to contaminate your foundation and then when your skin is clear, obviously have the applicator dirty. But since my skin doesn't break out and I know it doesn't break out, I'm just going to be applying it like this. And you know what? I think I applied too much now that I'm looking at it. And I shouldn't have applied so much because I don't know how this foundation is going to work. So I'm going to zoom you guys into my face. This side will be the brush side. This side will be the sponge side. So let's get right into it and see how it works out. So we're going to go into the brush side. And this is my all-time favorite foundation brush because it doesn't leave your skin streaky. And you guys can see I pat it in. I don't like going in there with like going like this, because I feel like it's just gonna leave the streaks. Like that's just you asking for streakiness, you know? Like on my eye, yeah, I'll do it, but you guys know what I mean. So I'm surprised because my CVS, well, I know a lot of drugstores don't let you swatch the product, and I was like, man, this was, I believe, the darkest shade at my store, because the other shades just looked like they were too white, and I'm so happy I picked this one up, because look at it, you guys. It doesn't say if it's matte, but I think it's semi, because it doesn't look matte, like drying. So now we're going to go into this side. And you guys could see it applied very pretty. Like, oh my god, it looks so good. Remember to get that neck, because I always forget. You guys, my beauty blender ate my product. Beauty sponge. Well, I already knew that, but you know what I mean. Okay, you guys, so it did pick up a lot of my product. Look, it picked up so much of my product. So this is what it looks like. I feel like I can get away with this being full coverage because my skin isn't really like so much like I need full coverage. So this looks like a full coverage foundation on my skin. You can't see like a lot of my little imperfections, I would say, but look, it looks so good, you guys. Like this one I felt like I could put a little bit more product because it looks a little bit more like you could see my little spots I have going on my skin. So I do like it better with a brush. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and apply all my other products on top of my face, and then I will be back with the final result of this foundation. You guys, it is so pretty. Like, it's so freaking pretty. Like, it doesn't leave your skin so dry. It's so pretty. Like, I really like it. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of me makeup, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I have everything on my face, which this is the foundation with my setting powder, my highlight, my bronzer. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to zoom you guys in super close. Just wanted to let you guys know in advance so you guys know you guys don't get scared. It's not Halloween. It's just my face. But yeah, I'm going to zoom you guys in super close so you guys can obviously go ahead and see what I'm talking about, how it looks, and all that. So we're super zoomed in to my face, and you guys can see it does not look cakey. It looks so good. This foundation looks so good. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. Excuse my eye makeup. Focus on the foundation. Focus on the face. Don't focus on anything else. But yeah, I am obsessed the way this foundation looks. Like, after the setting powder, like, it doesn't look cakey. It looks like it absorbed all the products into my face. Like it absorbed it so nicely. So what I did was I set it with Airspun. Then I have this setting powder that I carry in my purse all the time. That's my favorite one. It's from CoverGirl. That's where I set my whole face, was with this. This is in the color light to medium, and I like this because it says light to medium, and this stuff is actually really tan. Like, what you guys are seeing right now is the color of what my skin is with this setting powder. And then I just have my highlight on, and then everything else I have on my face, if you guys want to know what it is, my brows and my eyes, it will be linked to down below. But this is what it looks like, and then this is my everyday go-to makeup look on my eyes, like always. But it doesn't look like drying on my skin. Like, it actually looks healthy. It looks so good, you guys. Like, so good. Like, oh my, I'm obsessed. But yeah, that's how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and then I'll be right back, you guys, to show you guys my skin. And like I said, I will be doing a 25-hour check-in, so I will be sleeping with this makeup on. You guys, like, oh my god. But anything for you guys. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Let me get the rest of my face on, and then I'll come back with the final conclusion. So this is the 5-hour check-in. Excuse the lips, I just ate. But yeah, so far it's still holding up pretty good. It hasn't creased, and I don't look greasy. Well, from the looks of it, my forehead's starting to look kind of greasy. 5 hours, but it looks good. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. So you guys, let me get a little bit up close. I just took a nap. I just cleaned my whole house. I'm super freaking tired. Well, I cleaned my house before I took a nap. It's 6 o'clock, and I try not to sleep on my face, so this foundation's still holding up like pretty good. Let me show you guys. Excuse the lips. Took my lipstick off like completely because I went to go eat and I just had like this whole thing on lipstick, and I thought it was looking cute, and I didn't look cute. But this is how the foundation's holding up. I'm going to show you guys a transfer to see if there's any transfer. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. It's dry, obviously, because I'm not going to put something wet on it. So we're just going to go ahead. Yeah, that's how you know there's going to be transfer. And there's not much on here. You can just see like a little bit, but there's not much on there. But yeah, this is 6, so 10, it's 8 hours already. I don't even know. Well, it was 10:30, so it's like 7.5. And this is what it's looking like. It's not looking crusty. It still looks kind of good. You can tell it's old foundation, but this foundation is going to be good for when I go to work, because if it already lasted 7.5 hours, I work 8 hours, so this will be good. Yeah, there's not much I can say right now. I might give up this little thing because I'm scared to sleep with all this makeup on, and I don't sleep with makeup on. So for a nap, yeah, but not for like the whole 8 hours sleep, you know. But this is how it's looking, and I'll see if I come back in a little bit. I'll probably come back around. I don't want to touch it with anything. Look, my mascara is starting to flick off. But I'll probably come back around 8. Alright guys, so we came to the end of this video. It is 10 o'clock. I'm talking a little bit low because my husband's already in sleep and I was falling asleep, and I was like, I look a mess. But yeah, it's time for me to take all this off. It's starting to get a little bit itchy. So 10 hours. I did 10 hours with this foundation. It still looks wearable, like I can go out somewhere with this and stuff, but I'm done for right now, you guys. I am so tired. I wanted to do the 25 hours for you guys, which I only have 15 hours to go, but I don't want to sleep with this on because I feel like I can't even brush my teeth, to be honest, with this on. I can't even eat right with this on because I want it to last so long. But like if I go like this, all the product moves now. Like the product needs to come off. So we're gonna take all this off right now. So what I use is just these regular Walmart brand, and then this. But obviously before we do so, I do know you guys want to see my face close up, so I'm very tired, so excuse me. You guys could see I fell asleep like on this little patch. You guys see? I hope you guys could see. But yeah, because I fell asleep like this, so it's just a little patch. But like you guys could see, the foundation doesn't look ugly or anything. Like my eyes are barely starting to crease right here, but maybe because I was asleep. But yeah, this is what it's looking like, and I don't think I'd be I would feel comfortable sleeping in my makeup because excuse me, I just washed my covers, so I can't do it today, you guys. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take this off. It's not much of a difference. Well, maybe right now my face looks red because obviously I just took off all that makeup. But this is the end of the video. I can tell you guys this foundation is approved. It's cool. And yeah, I don't think none of us would wear this over like 10 hours. So I think this is like a good foundation. Sorry guys, my eye burns. So if you guys want to go ahead and purchase this foundation, I recommend it 110%. It's really, really good. Sorry guys, I'm so tired. Like, normally I leave my makeup on for 9 hours. So 10 hours is Gucci. Well, 8 hours for, well, yeah, like 10 hours I leave my makeup on because I do my makeup, go to work, and then come home, and then obviously go to sleep. Sorry, the lights are like starting to bother me because I'm so tired. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!